So guys, in this video, I'll be teaching you how you can properly convert another person's video into yours and how to properly place your picture on another person's video. Maybe like you want to react to another person's video. I want to teach you how you properly, place your picture without the background, that people will even be looking at it like twice if you are in the scene or not, and that will be adding a view to you. But the way you people do it, it is not like, it's a no. That is like, you will just place your picture with the background. When somebody sees it once and the person notices that, so it's not a content, there is a way you would do it. That person will think like you are in the content that you are trying to react to. So if this is what you want, I want you to like, share, and follow for more. Let's go. So guys, this video will really be a long one. This is InShot. If you don't have it, just go to your Play Store and type in InShot and it will bring it out. Now click on the video. Click on new to import the video that you want to work on. So let me choose this video. So this is the video I'm working on. So guys, the first thing to do is to remove the watermark. You wouldn't want the watermark to be in your video after, everything that you did. So click on the watermark, remove it. Now look for PIP. You can see it. Click on it. Import either the video or the picture that you want to place on the video that you want to react to. You understand? Place it this way, either the picture or the video. After you place it, you can search for this cut out. Yes, click on cut out, then you cut the background out. Make sure you click on the picture or the video if you want to cut out the background. Click on the cut out. Now cut the background out by clicking the other one, that the white ball. I placed the white ball. Use your two finger, click on the mark sign, and use your two finger to drag either the video or the picture to the size that you want. So guys, this is it. You can see. Now you can see these two white dots at the edge of the picture. Drag it to the end of the video. If you want the picture or the video to get to the end of the video, drag it to the end of the video. You can see now, if you play it, the picture will be there until the video that you are reacting to finish. This is it, guys. This is it. Now let's try the video part of it. Click on the PIP again. PIP. Yeah, so guys, you click on the PIP again. Yes, this is it. Click on the PIP again to import the video that you want. Now click on the PIP again for the second time. Click on the video part. Now it's no more picture, it's video. So you click on the video part. If you want the picture, you click on the picture part. Now see the video. You place it in any part that you want. So you look for the cutout. Look for the cutout to cut out the background. Yes, this is the cutout. Click on it. Now cut out the background. Click on the cut out. Yes, this is it. You click on the mark sign, you place it anywhere you want. So guys, this is it. You can see it's more better than placing with the background. Look at it. This is more better than placing it with the background. This is how it looks like. So guys, this video is really a long one, so I'll be doing another video for the way you can properly convert another person video to yours. So guys, this is it. Convert another person's video to yours, and how to properly place your picture on someone else content or So guys, this is it. Now you click on that arrow facing up to save your work. The arrow facing up, you can see it.